Hey guys, welcome to ConfiDANCE at Home, and today's song is a song by Pharrell Williams, my favorite. It's called Happy. Bet you've heard that song before. Very difficult not to feel good vibes when you hear that song, but as always the moves are simple, fun. I've even thrown in some squats today. We got to work that booty because spring is in the air. Main thing is though to have fun, breathe, go all the way to the end of the song, and here comes your first happy clappy 8 count. So guys, here are our happy dance moves as well as some high and low intensity fitness moves, and I've thrown in some hardcore squats. I used to be called a squataholic because I'd always throw in some of these great booty squats into my class because they so work your booty. So let's go from the tippy top. I want you to do 4 big open step touches with a big old clap, a happy clap in between. So you give me 4 of those. Step together, 2 and 3 and 4. And then you're going to open out for our first happy choreography. It goes V step, 1 leg, then the other side, flick the hand, then the feet come together, give me a shape of a roof with your fingers, your hands up overhead, then jack the feet out and give me 2 Egyptian heads forward. So it goes like a room without a roof, head. Second one, step, clap, step, clap, step, clap, step, clap. You're going to give me a pony step. I could call it an Irish dancing step because it goes 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, then 1, 2, 3, 4. Happiness is the truth. 2, 3, 4. So that's our second happy groove. Top, step, touch, step, clap. Good. Room without a roof. Head. Step, clap, step, clap, step, clap, step, clap. Happiness is the truth. 2, 3, 4. The third one, another step touch in between, is going to travel forward. It's like a version of the pas de bourrée step, off to see the Wizard of Oz kind of step. Goes up, down, up, down. Your body goes the same direction as the feet. You drop it on the second one, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, drop, up, drop. So you give me 3 of those. Step, drop, step, drop. 1 more, then march. Yes? 5, 6, 7, take it forward, drop, up, drop, up, drop, and march. Then give me another big old step and clap motion up here. You can breathe, get a chance to find your breath. 4 of them, 1, 2, 3, and 4. And then give me a pendulum swing back with your legs, side to side, just like a pendulum swing, puppet, kind of a high intensity move again. Your arms go cross, open, and then hold them up like this. It's like, yo, check me out, do my happy dance. So there are your 4 happy clappy moves before you get down and give me some squats. So give it to me from the top. Step, clap, step, clap, step, clap, step, clap. V together, then jack 2 heads. The next 1, 2, 3, 4. Pony downs, our Irish dance, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Next one, I'm going to call it the Wizard of Oz coming forward. Step behind, 1 more, march. Step again, last time. 3 and 4 and pendulum swing in. A 1, a 2, a 3, a 4. And then get down here and give me some, maybe a few more than just some good old decent butt squats. But go all the way to the end of the song because you know how it is. You want to get the cardio up, heart rate going. Work it, let's get happy right now. Fun times, music.
No offense to you, don't waste your time. Here's why. Because I'm happy. Come along if you feel like a room without a roof. Because I'm happy. Come along if you feel like happiness is the truth. Because I'm happy. Come along if you know what happiness is to you. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like that's what you want to do. Bring me down, can't none bring me down. Love is too high to bring me down. Can't none bring me down. I said, tell you now, bring me down. Can't none bring me down. Love is too high to bring me down. Can't none bring me down. I said, cause I'm happy. Come along if you feel like a room without a roof. Cause I'm happy. Come along if you feel like happiness is the truth. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you know what happiness is to you. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like that's what you want to do. Because I'm happy. Love